Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, East Bay Stamp Chick. This is Michelle. Today's video is the paper stash smash video for June 1st. So in this video we talk about what I made in May and then what I have planned for June. So this is a collaboration. There's several other crafters, which we have a link that will be down below and at the end of this video that you can take and see all of our videos for each month. And we basically have a certain type or size of paper that we work with each month. So May was 12 by 12 paper, and excuse me, I chose 2 different ones to possibly work with. And I did a lot of crafting in the month of May, but I did not smash anything. So nothing is completely gone. And I mean, not even like, I can't even like say, oh, it's gone because there's only a few scraps. There's just so much paper. So this one I've been trying to do for a while here is called Cheerful. It's by Authentique. It is discontinued. It's from 2016. Authentique no longer produces paper. I did not get the projects finished, and I did cut a lot of the paper and use some of the cut aparts. But there's still so much like chunky scraps, and there are still full sheets, like, is that 4 full sheets, plus these big scraps that are left of that. So I have in progress, and this one that I'm going to show you is not even complete. It is these cute little journals or notebooks, and they have a plastic cover, and then I have hole punched paper, and I have lined paper, and there will have pockets and dividers and tabs and all these fun things. And so I have 4 of these going. So some of this paper will still get used to complete these 4. And then there will still be paper left over. I started with 17 full sheets, and then scraps. And so there's, I don't know, there's still going to be a lot left. So I'm still working on that one. Then the other thing was this one right here, from DCWV, and I don't think I know what, 2011 I think. This pad was given to me. I actually have a ton of it left. I just grabbed the cover to show you. And basically I'm making mini albums, and I have 2 of them going. They're very chunky, and they are I think 8 by 8 or something like that in size. And so all the paper is cut down, and so I have all these big 4 by 12 strips left. I have a ton of that still left as well. So I'm still kind of figuring out what I'm going to do with that. So there's still just a lot of paper. So I was like, wow, I didn't get much accomplished as far as smashing. So yeah, I don't really have a lot to show. I did make a lot of cards that did not really use pattern paper. A little bit of them did, because I am on the design team for Love from Lizzie, and she does a 12 by 12 paper pad every month. So I do use some of that every month to make cards, and you can see the tutorials on my channel, and also I do a tutorial on the Love from Lizzie channel as well. So I have like all these little projects that I've used parts of stuff for, parts of paper, but did not completely smash anything. So for the month of June, it is non 12 by 12 paper, meaning anything that is not 12 by 12. I have 2 digital packs that I will be using because they are for a design team. And so I will be using those, and hopefully I'll use them up or close to that. So I will be using those. I don't have them to show you yet, but they're super cute. And there will be some videos coming for that. I haven't had a lot of videos lately either. So I have a lot to catch up on. And then I just chose one other paper pad to use possibly for June. And I don't know. I was looking through all my paper pads, and I really just didn't feel inspired by anything. And it's not that I didn't like what I have in my stash. I really do. But I just was like, I don't know. And I don't know what I want to make. And so this could completely change, but this was one thing that I thought, well, this is really pretty, and maybe I could use this. This is Bella and Bloom from DCWV, It's a 6x6. There's 24 sheets. I have not used this at all. And it does have cut aparts, but they're super small, which I'm not great at using small stuff. And there's 2 of each page. It's just really pretty with the butterflies and the flowers. I love that. It is double-sided. So I like the colors. So I just thought, well, maybe I could use this for something. But I don't know. I'm really not sure what I want to do. And like I said, I just kind of didn't feel like nothing really moved me. So I don't know. I don't know if you guys ever been in that kind of a mood. But I have been busy, but just not doing videos and not doing as much crafting as I really thought I would. I have something new I'm doing. A friend of mine, she makes jewelry, and she actually sells it on Amazon, and she needs help making it. And so she has spent time showing me how to wire wrap beads and to make her necklaces. And so I have been making necklaces for her, and she's, you know, paying me to do this, which is really wonderful of her. And so that has been something I've been focused on. So I have felt creative and like I am making, but it has not been things to do with paper. And then I have been, of course, doing my cards for design teams that I'm on, which don't always encompass pattern paper. So been busy, but just not doing this. So I kind of feel like I need a project that I really want to make to feel inspired to use the paper. So that's probably what I'm going to look for, is some kind of project that I'm like excited about, and then I may pick other paper if I feel like that would be a better choice. But I just need to feel inspired, I think, is the thing, and get excited about that. So I don't know if any of you ever feel that way, but definitely this month and even last month I have not really done a lot of smashing of my stash. So that's just the way it goes sometimes. I am hoping to start Christmas maybe in July, and I get very excited over that. So that, you know, is something that is kind of in the back of my mind. And I would love to do a lot of birthday type cards, but just haven't gotten to it. So yeah, but I think that's it. This is a short video this month, short and sweet. And would love to hear from you if you have ever felt the same type of feelings. How much have you been crafting lately? Has it been really crafty for you, or have you, been at a standstill? Would love to hear. But yeah, so that's it for this month, and I will have some videos coming out here really soon. I have a Love from Lizzie kit unboxing that will be coming out. And I have a Love from Lizzie tutorial for card making that will be coming out. And a few projects that I will be doing for design teams, but will count towards Paper Stash Smash. So those will be coming out as well. So things are coming. It's happening. Okay. So anyways, thank you so much for sticking with me. And thank you to some of my new subscribers out there, or all the new subscribers out there. Thank you. We're so happy you're here. And I'll just, see what happens this month, okay? And that's it. So make sure you check out the other collaborators in our hop. We have some people who did some amazing projects this last month and used up a lot of paper, and it's really inspirational, really some fun stuff. So definitely check them out with the link down below or the link at the end of the video. And I will see you soon. Thanks, everyone. Bye-bye.